rideshare reseller, we're going to give you a tip how to change a belt on a turntable, because when you buy one of these, sometimes you think it's broken. In reality, it's not. It's just a belt. So this is a little Hitachi HT-324. Now, I looked high and low how to change this belt because I have a problem with it, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix some of these problems. Okay, so there's the mat. This is the platen or the platter, and it spins. And then I'm going to have to switch it over because I'm going to need two hands to do this. But we're going to take a look and we'll show you the main problem with some of these turntables, how they get hung up and you can't get the platter off, all right? All right, guys, here's the problem. The platter spins, but it's jam stuck. I can't get it to come off. So you think, okay, well, it's like pulling up, but it's in reality, it's just kind of stuck on there from time. So I'm gonna come in here with my two fingers and I'm gonna hit this piece right here as I pull up and see what happens. So I'm gonna pull up a little bit. There it goes. So you just gotta tap that just enough to get that to pop off. It's kind of tapered, so it should be unstuck now. See, it's got a little stuck there, but it was really stuck. So you just pull up, give it a tap. You got to give it a couple taps. You kind of can't be afraid to pop it off. So there's the spindle, there's the motor, and I already the belt was broken and it was just pieces in there, and I dumped it and it came out. But I went on YouTube to find it was tough, this model. So an HT-324. If that happens, that's how you get it off. And then we're going to replace the belt. I'll show you how to replace the belt, and we'll get it to see if it works. All right. All right, everybody. There's the bottom of the platter. There's the rubber band, or the, so we're going to put that on the outside of this. And I'm going to pull it around. A little tricky, but you'll get it. There it is. Okay, so it's around the edge now. You can see it, kind of center it down. Move it around a little bit. Put this back on top. So now it's back on top. It's a little hole here that's going to allow you to get to the band. That's the motor. So we gotta get this guy. So sometimes by putting your thumb in there, it'll help you get a hold of that band a little better so it won't drop on you. There it is. Comes around the motor, and I'm pointing in here. There's this little white like speed changer, and that goes into there. So now we have it on top. So put our mat on just to look kind of professional. Move our arm, see if she fires up. There you go, it changes it over. 33 1/3, she's spinning. There you go. That's it. That's how you change a belt on almost all turntables. But on the HT-324, I had a little sticky problem, a little screwdriver, a good tap, and it should free it. All right? Simple video. How to change a belt if you're trying to resell something and it seems to be broke. It's 99% of the time it's the belt. Thanks, guys. See you next time.